How to install and completely set up Louie Voice Control. To get started, we'll have to first open the Play Store and then search for Louie Voice Control.
Voice search. Play Store. Navigate up. App. Louie Voice Control your apps with voice command. Details for app. Install.
It will take few seconds for Louie to get installed.
Thanks for trying out this app before it's released.
Now that it has been installed, we'll have to click on the Open button.
Open. Louie settings. Turn on Louie Voice Control. OK button.
Clicking this OK button will directly take us to accessibility, where we'll have to grant Louie permission.
OK button. Accessibility. Now, Louie Voice Control off. Louie Voice Control. Navigate up. Use Louie Voice Control off. Use Louie Voice Control off.
We'll have to click this button.
Use Louie. Allow Louie Voice Control to have full control of your device. Full control is appropriate for app. Allow.
I'll click on Allow.
Louie Voice Control. Use Louie Voice Control on. Louie settings. Allow Louie Voice Control to access this device's location while using the app.
We'll have to click on Allow and grant permission for all these services.
While using the app. Allow Louie Voice Control to record audio. Allow Louie Voice Control to access your Allow Louie Voice Control to make and manage phone calls. Allow. Louie Voice Control. Louie Voice Control settings. Welcome to Louie. Now you can do everything in YouTube, Uber, WhatsApp, contacts and make phone calls with voice commands. Log in with Google.
We'll have to log in with the Google account.
Log in with Google Play Services. Choose an account. Meher Khurana. Google Play Services. Louie Voice Control. Successfully logged in with Google. The magic gesture of Louie. A two-finger touch is Louie's magic gesture. This is the only gesture that works during a voice session. The magic gesture allows you to interrupt Louie and give you voice commands.
After selecting a Google account, this brings us to the page of the magic gesture of Louie. We have to click on the screen with the two-finger touch, which is the magic gesture, to move to the next screen. So I'll try out the two-finger gesture here.
Gesture. Louie Voice Control. How? Next. Type your name in the box for Louie to call you by your name.
This is the screen where we type in our name by which we want Louie to address us.
Write your name. Showing M, Gboard, A, H, R. Next, Louie Voice Control.
We can click on Next once we're ready.
Keyboard hidden. Currently I support YouTube, Uber, WhatsApp, contacts and phone calling. 7 tips to use Louie effectively.
These are 7 tips to use Louie effectively.
7 tips to use Louie effectively. 1. Since Louie works on voice commands, only a two-finger touch gesture is needed during the voice session. No other gestures will work while the voice session is running. 2. Internet is must for using Louie, but you can use contacts and phone calling in offline mode. 3. Just one gesture to remember, a two-finger touch will interrupt Louie's quick continuous reading and allows you to give voice commands. 4. Carefully listen to the command options which Louie will always speak. 5. Wait for the beep sound before speaking your command. 6. Just say stop or shut up if you want Louie to go completely silent. 7. To change the TTS speech rate, just say talk fast or talk slow.
This screen is all about the 7 tips to use Louie effectively. The first and the most important thing to remember is that the only gesture which will work during a voice session is a two-finger touch, which is the magic gesture of Louie. All other gestures will be deactivated during a voice session, and there is nothing to worry. All gestures will start to work normally right after the voice session ends. We must listen to all the command options that Louie gives carefully and then must make a selection. Internet is a must for using Louie. However, we can use contacts and calls offline. We can simply say stop or shut up to make Louie completely go silent. To change the TTS engine and TTS speaking rate, 1 second.
Currently I support YouTube.
To change the TTS speaking rate, we can simply give the command for talk fast or talk slow. And we can also switch to low verbosity mode by simply saying talk less. That is, if we think Louis is speaking too much, we can just give the command for talk less and Louis will only give necessary commands. This is appropriate once you get a hang of using Louis.
Currently I support you. Next.
Once we have read all these points, we're ready to hit the next button.
Next. Louis text to speech settings. Control speed, pitch and voice of Louis voice control with text to speech settings.
This screen is all about the text to speech settings. We can change the speaking rate, pitch and voice through this screen.
Next. How to call Louis. 6 ways to start Louis after completing the setup. On a quick double shake.
This screen is all about the 6 ways we can call Louis. The easiest way is a quick double shake to your phone.
On, say, hey Louis from Louis settings screen.
We can also say hey Louis from Louis settings screen.
Tap on start a voice session button displayed on notification panel.
We can tap on the start a voice session button from notification panel to call Louis.
Tap on Louis voice icon.
We can tap on the Louis voice icon.
Tap on start a voice session button which is placed on top of the Louis settings screen.
We can tap on start a voice session button on Louis settings screen.
Louis Auto starts when a supported app is opened, e.g. YouTube.
Louis Auto Start is a setting. If we switch this on, Louis will automatically start whenever a supported app like Uber, WhatsApp or YouTube is opened. Now that we've read all these, we are ready to move to the next screen.
Next. Tutorial started. Showing lesson 1 of 6. Louis voice control. How and when to give commands.
This is a tutorial for Louis voice control and it tells us how and when to give commands. You can go ahead and go through this, but right now I will skip it.
Skip tutorial. Welcome to Louis. We are almost done with the setup. No gesture will work during a voice session. Only a 2-finger touch can be used to interrupt Louis and make a selection. Do not be alarmed if talkback and screen gestures are not working during a voice session. Talkback will start off normally as soon as the voice session will get over. Clicking this OK button will automatically start your first voice session.
So we're almost done with the setup, and as you must have heard, only a 2-finger touch will work during a voice session. All other gestures will not work during a voice session, but there is nothing to worry. All gestures will start working normally as soon as the voice session ends. Also, clicking this OK button here will automatically start your first voice session. So I will click on the OK button here to start my first voice session.
Okay. Okay. Since this is your first voice session, we recommend you to watch this 1-minute demo video.
5 tips to use Louis effectively. Tip number 1. Easiest way to call Louis is by a quick double shake to your phone. Tip number 2. Easiest way to stop Louis is by turning off your phone screen or giving the command stop or shut up. Tip number 3. Since Louis uses voice commands, no gestures are required. Tip number 4. Only a 2-finger touch can be used to interrupt Louis and make selections. Tip number 5. Do not be alarmed if talkback and screen gestures are not working during a voice session. Talkback will start off as soon as the voice session gets over.
So, which app this time? YouTube, or Uber, or WhatsApp, or Contact, or Call.
Close.
No app is running, going silent.